In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Google Docs spreadsheet. Now to do that, open up Google like you normally would, then make sure you are signed in into a Google account. It could be any Google account, it will work just fine. Then please go ahead and select on these icons right over here, like the 9 dots. Then it is going to give you something that looks like this. Now what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see these options over here. Now you'll notice that we'll get Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on Sheets, and this is basically Google Docs, except it is going to be in a spreadsheet format. So as you can tell, it basically has the same functionings, the same UI as Google Docs, and all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on blank spreadsheet just like so, and then bam, there you go. We now have a spreadsheet that we can go ahead and use. So from here, you can go ahead and do whatever work that you need to do. And remember, it is exactly like Google Docs. So you can go ahead and change the name from here. We have the entire menu that we can go ahead and take a look at. And of course, we can go ahead and share our project with other people or to the public. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.